My cousin Kaden got stuck in a toy car. So Olivia, get off so we can get him out.
Okay. Get out of the car. Wait, you Viper.
I fit.
Okay,
I'm
and
a shovel mom.
what side's the door on?
I don't know.
He broke the door.
Yeah, I need a bungee cord so my door stays closed.
We're gonna have to like make this
My
quick.
head. I'm putting my butt up to the net.
We should push it
Pull him this way.
Ow! Take him out. Ow! You just did it again. Get up! No!
Here, hold the video camera.
No, let's get to our biggest space.
Kaden!
Get over there!
Kaden's in pain.
No, let's tip him over. Okay, that's a good idea. 3, 2, 1. Timber.
Careful!
Okay, Kaden, try
Okay.
yourself out.
I can't.
Get out! Get out!
Okay, let me get out for a second.
Get out of your stupid car.
There.
There you go. No, get me car.
Yay! He's out. He's out.
Ah!
He's out. I got posted on YouTube now.
I mean, me mom car.